Good morning, and this is my day 211 as of the video, but it's actually day 213, and I haven't managed to record the video during my rest day, I suppose. And that would be our aircon, and that would be the luggage. And I'm currently in my father's room, and this is his wardrobe. And right now, I just finished a video about, or an interview video or podcast, whatever you call it, from the author of Atomic Habits. And one of the things that I really appreciate and made me want to continue this video diary essay is that he mentioned that in order for you to build a consistent habit, you need to build it an atomic level. So he described the atoms as, building components, small, it's micro, and also it is energy dense. So regarding with that information, he informed us that, or at least me, the listener, that atomic habits are built because they are small, they give you energy to continue and move forward, and also you can stack it against other components as well. And I am thinking, or I started this video diary because I want to be consistent. And one of the books that really helped me to start is Atomic Habits. I didn't actually read it. I listened to the audiobook because I don't have money at that time. I'm still jobless during that period. And one of the things that he mentioned is that you don't need to do it every day. You just need to do it consistently. And one of the main things about consistency is flexibility. You can think of the people who would write on their journal that I would do it 365 days. I will not miss a single day. I will go to the gym for continuously throughout the year, and once they miss that single year, their motivation vanish because they set themselves in a high pedestal, or a high goal that almost impossible to achieve because life happens. It's not set on stone, so we should be able to be flexible. Like this video, I didn't record 3 days